Thank you again for attending SAP Business One Production 101. So we're going to be covering the 6 benefits to manufacturing companies, that the gains that they use by using SAP Business One production orders. We're going to go in and look at the setup for some items, resources and capacity, basically getting ready for production orders. We're going to take a look at the bill of materials, the structure, all of the components, resources, and other requirements needed to build a subassembly or finished good. Then we're going to focus on our production order processing itself, which is the creation of the production order, the release, the material issues, and the report completion for that higher level parent item, whether it be a subassembly or finished goods. And then we're going to cover a brief summary wrap up and open things up for questions. So let's get started. So let's cover our 6 benefits to manufacturing companies. So by using production orders within SAP Business One, some of the things you're going to be able to take advantage of is the perpetual inventory. So all of the ins and outs that are associated with manufacturing, you'd want to have visibility to that as you're using your production orders. So all your material issues, resources, labor, machine, overhead times, and cost, all of those things, whether they're being issued or backflushed, will be visible, as well as the manufacturing completions you're completing on each production order. So all the transactions in the background will be creating the GL entries, tracking the inventory and the work in process costs. Zero batch traceability, again, very important for any compliance or agency needs or any other traceability requirements that you have. All the ins and outs for serialized and batch controlled items are going to be provided full traceability within the production order. So as you're doing purchase receipts and inventory production, finished goods, that full perpetual inventory, if you're using production orders, will not be broken. So all of those requirements that you have for FDA, Biotech, Department of Defense, and other agencies will be very well met with the traceability that's provided within SAP Business One. It's really going to help you out with audits and recalls as well. Work and process visibility. This is huge for the production facility and manufacturing. So basically, it's just going to show you what's on the production floor. It will show you work in process, your item quantity, start and end dates, as well as material and resource demands for each production order. Resource capacity visibility. Labor and machine time and other resources can be monitored and measured to look at their capacity by day, week, month, etc. As well as finally, job cost. That's really huge. What is my production really costing me? So this is going to give you accurate real-time job costing by production order. So all of your component material usages and costs, your resources, labor, machine, and overhead cost, all associated with that production order, will be rolled up into that job cost associated with that individual production order. And finally, available to promise. So if you're out on the sales order side and you're looking in the customer service, trying to satisfy a delivery date, using the available to promise functionality with production orders, you'll be able to see all of the quantity on hand, plus future supply and demand, date by visibility. So the existing and present future demands that are out there, open sales orders, quantities, and their delivery dates, as well as the present and future supply, which would be on hand inventory and open production orders and their quantities and due dates, will all be visible to give you a much better chance to predict delivery date for future orders. So again, just to summarize those benefits, that's the perpetual inventory, zero batch traceability, work in process visibility, resource capacity visibility, job costs, very important, and then the available promise benefit that sales order and customer service will have.